This is going to be a video review of the Toovren upgraded outlet mount holder for your Alexa Dot 3rd generation. On the left, I have the older model. On the right, I have the newer model. Let me show you a little bit of the differences between the two. On the right, the newer one, you can put your plug-in in vertical or horizontal position. On the newer one, we have less material blocking the speaker, so you will get better sound. You can see how they have limited the amount of material up at the front. Let's look at the back now. The back, the old one, we had to wrap the cables around here, and it was blocking the back. It was a little difficult to connect the wires. With the newer one, we have these 4 pieces over here, so you wrap your cable around there. You can put your wire, the excess wire, into this recessed area. You didn't have that much room on the older model. You've got a lot of room on the newer model, and then you can connect your plug into this area. So let me show you how this works. These are very reasonably priced. You come in a pack of 2. You can get it in black or white. The newer model is definitely much more attractive, more versatile, and you will have an easier time using it, and you should be able to get better sound out of the newer model because, as I said, these pieces of plastic in the front are not covering the sound area. So let's check this out. Let's test it out. The first thing you want to do is get your power cord and insert it from the back. Bring it down over here. You are going to plug it into your Alexa Dot. Put it into the holder. Snap it in place. Center the outlet. Then you are going to take the wire, and there's an indent over here. You're going to push the wire into the indent, seat it all the way through, and then you are going to take the cable and wrap it underneath the 4 pieces. And you just have to go and spin this all the way around till it's wrapped up. It's much easier to do than the older version because you could not see the wires on the back with the older version. So we're almost done. And then I want you to look up over here. We've got an indent on this left side and the right side, depending on which way you are wrapping your cable. So you're going to wrap this all the way around. Make sure it's tight. Wrap it all the way around. And then I'm going to loop it into this little opening over here and seat it in place. I'm going to press down. It's seated in place. So the wire is not going to come loose now. Then you want to take your power cord, insert it into the opening, and then you can just wrap the remainder of the wire in place. So the wire is perfectly wrapped underneath the 4 pieces now, and it is being held in by this little slot over here. And again, if you're wrapping it in the other direction, then you would put it in this part over here. That's a close-up. So what I did is I took the wire, I brought it down through the center, I wrapped it all the way around, and then I hooked it onto this little opening over here. Or if you're doing it in the other direction, hook it on there. Put your power cord into the slot over here. Put the remaining wire into the recessed area, which was not on the older version. And now we're going to plug it in and test it out. Now I've got it in my hand. With this new version, it's very easy to hold everything as you plug it into the outlet. The nice thing about this is that okay, we're powered on. The nice thing about this unit is that you're able to plug it in on the bottom of a duplex outlet and not use up the whole outlet. So let's let this power up. We got the volume controls, everything's on the front, so it's easily accessible. Looks like it's powered up, so let's test it out. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:18 p.m.
Now I'm going to go across the room and we'll test it out from about 30 feet. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:18 p.m.
Now I'm going to go in another direction, completely in a different room, and we'll test it out again. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:18 p.m.
This is the new version of the upgraded wall holder from Toovren for your Alexa Dot. Order this on Amazon in black or white. It comes in a 2-pack. Once you get the wires wrapped around, all you have to do is plug it in, power it up, and it looks incredibly beautiful. Make sure you order this on Amazon.